This line was never meant to rest. Under ice, it awaits. A part of that vibrates. No trains, no noise, no flame. Just a project without a name. And the rise above the ground, where silence is too loud. One wrong move in the sky, and they'll ask me why I fly. Signals blink into the void. A system built but unemployed. Tracks stretch out like frozen veins, but nothing moves. No pulse, no trains. Drone in the air, heartbeat in sync. This isn't just flying, this is the brink. They watch the sky, they draw their lines. Not just on land, but in the mind. Under ice.